What do you think will happen?
Great building! Your tower was stable, and none of the blocks fell off the desk.
Keep redesigning your tower or try a new challenge. Let's build more towers!
You unlocked a new level!
Tap here to play with all the blocks, or create a level for a friend or sibling.
Level 2. Custodian Ruff's cart is shaking the desk even harder this time.
Can you build a stable tower that won't fall off the desk when it shakes?
Do you want to play together or against each other? Together!
Each player gets 2 turns. Player 1, you go first.
You can add up to 4 blocks. Let's build!
Wood. Brick.
Player 2, it's your turn to add blocks to your team's tower. You have 2 turns. You can add up to 4 blocks. Let's build!
Brick. Cinder block. Wood. Player 1, it's your last turn. Game die.
Player 2, it's your last turn.